Hey everybody, so it's been a minute since I've been on this channel. I have been really busy with my book that has just come out, which is called Brave Like Lily, and I've been really busy. Like, it's been crazy, but I am back on here now. I think it's been like 3 weeks or close to a month since I've been on here, but my last video was a collection slash a vanity tour, and I know you guys really enjoyed that, and I really appreciate that. And now I am back on here to do some makeup tutorials. Yeah. And in today's video, we're going to be using only affordable makeup, and surprise, surprise, I only use affordable makeup. So, yeah, I just wanted to do a look today. Yeah, so there's the title for you. But I'm going to be playing with the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics 21 color eyeshadow highlighter and contour palette. And this is actually discontinued, but you can find this at TJ Maxx and Marshalls and maybe Ross for $7. It's originally, I think, $22, but you can find it there, and I would highly recommend it. I've used it a couple of times and I really enjoy it, but I want to use it again today. And I'm also going to be using the brush set, which is from BH Cosmetics X It's My Ray Ray, and it's, you know, both her collab, and I know she has a new collab that just came out recently. I've used it before, I like it, and I wanted to use her older one because this is the one that you can find at a really good price. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in, and we're gonna get started with this eye look. Alright, so we are up close with the eyes. I already did one eye off camera. I want to start doing this because it's easier for me with editing my videos. I was like, there's not too much footage of me doing both eyes. So yeah, so this is what, you know, it looks like. This is what's gonna come out looking like. It's a very simple and still sultry though, like still like cute. Still, you can go out to dinner, you know what I mean, McDonald's, Olive Garden. And now we're gonna get started on this side. So I am using, as I said, the It's My Ray Ray palette right here, and the colors I'm gonna be using today, just in case something happens during editing, I'm going to be using Nudist, Pancake, Friday, and Connie. And then on my for the shimmers, I'm going to be using Allison and Angel right here. Just so you guys know what's going on. But yeah, and if I keep talking like a New Yorker every little once in a while, I'm sorry. I've been like rewatching Pose season 1 and Paris is Burning, and I don't know how many times I've watched Paris is Burning. Like over the past like few years, I think it's been a lot. But the new season is coming out, so I'm really excited about it. Actually, it just came out. I'm really excited. But I'm gonna be going with Nudist first. I'm gonna be using the also It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics brush set, which you can still get on biiiiitch.com, and I think right now it's $12, and I would highly recommend this brush set. Sorry, it's late, because it's really good, and these are like some of the softest brushes I've ever. This is the softest brushes I've ever used. Softest brushes. This is the softest brush I've ever used. Words, Richard. And I really love this one. I just really like it. It just works really well for me, and it gets the job done. And I've just sort of fallen in love with their brush, this specific brush set. So I wouldn't mind, you know, getting a hold of some of their other brushes if they work like this. But yeah, so there we go. And now I'm gonna go in with Friday, which is right here. Yes. This is a really beautiful, like, burgundy, like purple, burgundy-ish, pinky. That doesn't make sense, but it's good. It's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding this in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and start dragging it up here and then bringing it out this way. But this is a really pretty shade. Ooh. My goodness. And this formula is just so good. Did I say that already? Like, their formula is just so fucking good. I sound like I'm sucking BH Cosmetics dick. Well, you know what? Right now I am. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to go into the darker purple, which is called Connie. and it is this one right here. And I'm going to use a smaller brush for that. That is not a BH Cosmetics one, but this is the e.l.f. blending eye brush, and it is like really, it's tiny and it fits like right there, like perfectly. And I'm going to grab some of that and I'm going to go ahead and pack it right here. Yes ma'am. And I'm going to drag it out this way and then bring it in this way. I don't want to go too high with this because I don't want it to like completely take over the burgundy-ish pink that we got going on. It looks really like, it looks more pink on camera, which is really weird, but I don't want it to take over that. So I am adding this here, dragging it out this way, and then I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics brush and just sort of diffuse it and blend it. Okay, so now we're back. I'm going back into the palette and I'm going to finish up the bottom of my lower lash line, and I'm going to be using Friday and Connie, these two right here. And I'm going in with a, this is my favorite BH Cosmetics, it's my ItsMyRayeRaye collab brush. It is the number 7 and it is so good for right here. I will show you. But I really like this one. Really, really do. So I'm going to go in here first. And I just really like how it deposits the color. And then with this brush just right here, you can blend and just... And it doesn't like bother my eyes or anything like that. And because if you put like a fluffy brush under here, which is what I used to do, it doesn't tend to work out that well. And I do use this one too to go under here, but this one is just like so good. And you don't have to, and you don't get like a bunch of like powder. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing, sorry. Hold on, let me turn this fucking mirror this way. And you don't get like a bunch of powder everywhere. It's not all nasty. But yeah. Okay, so I have the lip on. This is Wet n Wild Rebel Rose, and it just does it. It does it. It completes the look. I think this is my favorite liquid lipstick from them. My favorite high shine is Send Nudes. Ooh. Okay, I need to stop doing that. It's nasty. But yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna set it, even though I ain't going anywhere, bitch. I'm not going anywhere. Using the hydrating facial mist from Studio Selection. This is from Dollar General. This is only $2, and if you can, go and get this. Let me tell you, it adds like a glow to your face, which I hope you can see right after I do this, but I don't know why it does that, even though it's a hydrating mist. Shouldn't do that, right? But like after makeup. This is supposed to be like just regular hydrate your face without makeup. So yeah, alright, so let me go ahead and do this really quickly. Lean back. And it smells good. It smells good too. I think this has fragrance in it, so yeah, I'd be worried about that, but yeah. It just does something. Look at, I don't know if you can see that. It's drying down really quickly, but it adds like a glow. And I have oily skin, so why would I want a glow? But like, it's just like a nice glow, not like oily, but just really nice. And then when it gets onto the highlighter, it just does something. And it's only $2. Like, go to Dollar General if you have one near you and go buy it. $2. You're not gonna waste no damn money. It's good. The only thing I will say is that it is a little bit tacky. I will say that, but I guess it's meant to be. Maybe that's why it does this. But bitch, I need some more. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am feeling myself today. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Alright, so I will see you all next time. Hope you guys like this look. If you recreate it, like, who am I? Why would you recreate? Why would you recreate this? I don't know. My brain is just like, I need to go wash this off, but like, it's so cute. Alright, so I will see you all next time. Bye.